My name is James Chenault. I work for Griffin Plumbing. We are out of Santa Maria, California, which is on the central coast of California.
Very good, very good. And what is your role there?
I am field supervisor, also the lead sales guy, but I spend a lot of my time with training as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good, very good. We're talking for a great reason. You had a killer year last year. Time to brag. What did you do in sales last year?
I think just a little over 1.8 million.
Very good.
Yeah.
And it wasn't, you sold it, but you did some of the install as well in there, right?
There's a time where, I stick behind, and, it's all about meeting the client's expectations. It's one thing about getting the job sold, but depending on where the guys are at with their day, my install guys, and what really needs to happen to facilitate getting a client going properly,
right,
I will stick behind, and we will make it happen no matter what, whatever it takes.